Welcome to the installation video for the Artisan Range Hood from Omega National Products by Rev-A-Shelf. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. Install 6 T-nuts into the counterboard holes at the back of the mounting plate. Hammer them flush to the surface. Find and mark your studs. Studs are usually 16 inches apart. The recommended height from the bottom of the range hood to the stove top is 30 inches. Check local building codes and regulations for final determination. Draw a level line on the wall centered to where the bottom of the range hood will go. For an artisan range hood like ours, measure up 4 5/8 of an inch from that line. That's where the bottom of the mounting board will go. Secure the mounting board to the studs using 6 steel wood screws, not included. Not using the sufficient size and length screws may cause a failure in the mounting system and possible injury. Loosely insert the 10-24 by 3/4 inch screws into the T-nuts that were previously installed. The screws need to be sticking out just enough in order to hang the liner. Attach the blower to the liner using the 8-32 by 1/4 inch screws that come with the blower. In case of alignment issues, use the 3/16 to 1/4 inch drill bit to enlarge the holes of the liner. Set the mounting brackets on the liner with the flange facing away from the blower. Insert the 10-24 by 3/4 inch screws up from the bottom of the liner and loosely fasten with the hex nuts, which will be visible from the top. Hang the blower assembly on the screws, extending from the mounting plate. Make sure the brackets are firmly seated into the key slots. Tighten the screws. Now you can fully tighten the bolts that secure the mounting brackets to the liner. Make all ventilation and connections at this time. Adhere to all building codes in your area. Trim the top of the Artisan Range Hood if necessary, leaving at least 7/8 of an inch between the top of the hood and the ceiling. Carefully position the range hood against the wall and slide down onto the French cleats. Now add your crown molding. Fasten the metal liner to the range hood using the number 8 by 1/2 inch screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.